what happens to the budget line when there's a change in price? Last time we examined what happens to the budget line when there's a change in income, right? That's a video I did last time, so check that out too. When there's a change in price, the budget line will rotate, and I'll show you how that looks like on a graph. Let's imagine two goods, cookies and paper, and our budget is denoted by B. And let's say the prices for cookies will be PC and prices for paper will be PP. So I did a bit of work ahead of time. That way the video is shorter. So we have cookies on the y-axis and paper on the x-axis, and the intercepts are also here. If you're confused how I got these intercepts, please watch my video on the budget, how to draw the budget set. Okay, what does this area signify? What does this area I am shading right now, what does it signify? That is the area we can afford. So we can afford everything on the budget line and under the budget line. We can afford all of that. So, well, when the price of cookies rise, what happens to this shaded area? The shaded area should shrink, because then when prices are higher or when goods become more expensive, we can't afford the number we used to afford, right? So let me get rid of the shade so that we can show the shrink in the budget. And I have my trusty ruler with me, so this is going to go fast. All right. Now, prices of cookies are rising. So this is what that's going to look like when I draw it. Now I'm going to have here B over PC star. Right. In scenario 2, the price of cookies rise even further to PC double star. And you guessed it, the area will shrink even further. So what do we have currently, right? What do we have now? Our affordability, or our area we can afford, right, is this red shaded area now. So we've lost all of this. We've lost the dotted area. We've lost it. We can't afford it anymore because cookies are now more expensive. You see? All right, let me get rid of the shading. That way we can work on the next scenario, which is scenario 3. In scenario 3 or scenario 2, prices of cookies rise even further. Let me get my ruler. You guessed it. We are going to see even more shrinkage. Right? So here we have our B over PC double star. So what can we afford now? Shaded in green, this is what we can afford right now. So what did we lose? We lost all of this dotted area. We lost all of it. That is going from scenario 1 to scenario 2, right? We've lost the green dotted area, and we can only afford the green shaded area. And that's it for today. All right, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.